watching The Smiley Vlogger. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, today we're going to be doing a DIY of a wallet. I would hold it up for you, but I'm currently mapping it out so everything is not stuck to it. So yeah, I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so this is how I mapped it out. This is how I want it to go. I hooked up my brand new glue gun, Art Skills glue gun. And yeah, this is how I mapped out all of the decals and how I want it to be. And my glue gun came with this cool little thing for me to like set it on. So I'm sorry, that was a good value for $7. 7 and some change. So yeah, I'm sorry I don't have a tripod or nothing to hold this with. So yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for the glue to fucking come out and heat up. But I'm probably going to start off with one of these sides and then the other. Hey, I managed to prop you, sort of. I hate it because my hands are naturally freaking shaky. Why ain't shit coming out? I'm like literally trying to force the shit out. So I don't got time for this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay. I don't want no residue of glue, bro. None. I'm just gonna go whatever, one by one with them. As a kid, guys, I was like never artistic. I would always fuck shit up, honestly. So I'm trying to make up for that and redeem myself right now. This glue is like stringy AF. This is so much pressure. Get up, bitch. Stop acting like you're glued. And you're not. Okay. I should have watched a video to see if there's like a preferred method for like pull away. Ooh, kind of like what I did there. I'm so excited that it has this blue cloth that it came with. Like, guys. Okay. Trying to like swirl it down. Oh my god, that actually worked. I'm getting full of myself, but I can't. Okay. Just pressing the rest of this down. Oops. Hopefully my laptop don't overheat. Damn, my laptop's dying. Okay. You have a nail kit. like this. You can use one of these tools. You see that little like fabric of the glue? I'm trying to get it off of there. I don't want it on there. Thought that was gonna work. I pulled off one side of it. Makes it look not good, but I glued almost all the decals now. That's what it looks like. I know it's gaudy, but I like gaudy. I swear. Shit that I do. I can't wait. I need a real fucking tripod. Generous glob. I gotta be careful. The little wisp. Of course. Of fucking course. If you have one available, you can leave your hot glue gun on the ground so it can cool on the concrete on the little pad if you have one that they give you. It smells like burning glue up in here, stank. But anyways, I put these on the inside because I had 3 gems left. So I went ahead and I put them in the insert. This is it closed up. I would turn on the flash for you, but my phone is drying. What? My phone is charging, so I'll do it a little later for you. But yeah, that is the finished product. Holding it, it looks like this. Just an average zipper on the back. Gems on the inside. That is cute. One of a kind. All mine. Yeah. I'm happy with it. It's definitely extra. But yeah. It's so pretty.